Alright, Kenji, what are we doing today?
We're working on the car.
Yeah, what are we doing? We're going to do the front bumper.
Which is lost.
No, it's in the back. Alright, ready? Engine.
Yay!
Yay! Yeah, let me flip this around so you can see it. There you go. Alright, my end. Yeah. Alright, that's good. My name is Papa and Yoshi. What's your name? Kenji. No, mine. Kenji. And we're gonna put the front end back on the car today. It's cold. Cold
like it's winter already.
I think it's technically winter.
Right now?
Right now.
It's not even snowing.
Hold on, yeah. Bet you it will soon. Alright, Kenji, let's see what we got. Oh. I almost got you.
It's like it's trying to get me, like I'm Bowser.
Alright, we got some headlights. Alright, Kenji, ready? Ready? Catch. Catch, Kenji, catch.
Whoa!
I missed it. What is this thing? Where did we put your gloves? Mama ni tite, Mina. Mama ni tite. Get that? Yeah, you got it.
Gardening.
Gardening. I want to do some zip ties, Kenji.
What?
Zip ties.
Zip ties!
Yee.
What are we going to use the zip tie for?
We're going to put the zip ties through these holes.
Then zip up?
Yep, zip them. So it goes through that hole too. There we go. So it goes through the hole. Hold on. Goes through the hole. Let's put it around here. Oh, no. Hantai. It's backwards. Alright. There you go. We're gonna zip. Perfect tool. Good. Keep zip.
We need pliers!
Probably an actual thing for this, but that's okay. Zip ties. Alright, I think that works. One's a little bit bent in, but I'm okay with that. I think these are screws. Let's see if I can find the screws. What do you think, Kenji? Looking good?
Yep. Watch zip tie. It blends in with the black color. Does it record sound?
It does.
Does it record sound, but does it record voice?
Yeah. Say konnichiwa, YouTube. Ohayo.
Ohio, YouTube.
Let's get it. Almost done. Is that good? Yeah, I think we're good. Alright. Need to find one more of those. And we should be good. records all of the sound. So don't fart. Alright, Kenji, can you do this one?
Okay.
Can you do this one all by yourself? Make sure it's done right. Yep. Here, hold that. Yep. Wrench. There you go. Keep going. You good there? Oh, I'm missing a bolt here too.
Then try to find a bolt.
Okay. Put them up there. What do you want the?
Has it filled into the car?
Yeah. There, all done. High five. Good job. Oh, you're so good. Look at that. Look at that. It's all on. I mean, this is a little messed up, but I'm okay with that. Right? Juboom.
Yep.
Show YouTube your Bowser tattoo. Alright, let's give you this.
Huh? Let me use.
Alright, here's the wrench. And then Papa forgot to put this one on here. Wait there. Come here. See, here's the nut. And the nut goes right here. I forgot to put it on this one right here. So can you put the nut on? Well, always put the nut on by hand first. 手でやって。最初は手。Then you squeeze it on with your hands. Right? Over top.
Yeah, my car is caught.
Okay. Now turn with your hands. 最初は手でやって。So it goes on. Alright, now.
Ratchet.
Right. Yep. And do that until it's all the way on.
Whoa! Watch it. You ratchety rat.
Ratchety.
Wow, Papa.
Yeah. Nani?
Just after you do that, it'll go ratchet. Are we both ratcheting?
Yep. At the same time.
And stay speed. Whoa!
Almost there.
Wow.
I'm gonna double check these. Around it. Alright, and then after this we can put on the bumper.
The bumper! Where's the bumper?
The big front thing on the car.
Oh, the bumper.
The bumper!
Bumper.
The bumper. We're in place.
Okay.
But Papa wants to put some anti-seize on them.
Do they clean them?
Well, it makes it so that it doesn't rust into place. Alright, let's show YouTube how to anti-seize. Ready?
Okay.
Alright, so this is like a paintbrush. So you grab the lid and pull it out. Now careful, this stuff gets everywhere. Alright, so you put a little bit on the threads. There you go. Alright, yeah. Alright, that's good. Alright, there you go. Let's get a little bit more on there. Yeah, look at all that. Alright, now so it. 戻して。キャップ戻して。Alright. What? You're good, they're not on your fingers. No, you're good. Alright, now I just gotta remember where these things go.
I'm petting the car.
Monday.
I don't know.
So this thing.
I'm petting the car with my finger. Okay, so we still have to wash this car.
We are gonna have to wash the car when we're done, yeah. I'll help, I got it. Alright. That goes in here.
Both got it.
Alright, well first before we go all the way in, let me plug in. Oh. There's the light thingy. Let me dab it. Hold on.
Oh, you have to take that, put it in here.
Alright.
How can you take by the headlight thing?
I don't know. Alright, close enough. Push this piece. Hey! No kicking. I want to break it. There we go. Gentle, gentle. Alright. Oh. This piece goes here. Oh.
Oh,
Alright.
bolt that.
So there's a bolt that goes there.
We're gonna find a bolt, I just don't know where it is.
I know where it is. It's this one right here.
I can't see it.
Alright. Can you tighten that down, please, Kenji?
What? I just bolted.
Oh, that went the wrong. I think you were ratcheting the wrong direction. Let me check. Yeah, remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. So it goes righty tighty. There you go. You have to bolt the rest of this in a little bit later, but we're good for right now. Good? I think that's good. Yeah, you're good. Alright, look at that. Got one headlight in.
Yay!
Alright, let's do the
Look
other side.
right thing!
Let's do the other side. There you go, Kenji.
Yeah.
Actually, first let's leave it here. We need to do the fog light first, and I think there's also a horn. Get up.
Yep.
Push it in.
Careful, careful, careful.
Careful. This guy goes here.
I bet this is magnetic.
What is?
This.
Oh, probably. This one, we have two. Let me get those two here. What there?
I got this.
What's that?
I have no idea what it is.
That is a bench vise.
A bench vise?
Yep. It's a vise that clamps down on things.
Wait, apparently this is magnetic.
What is that?
It's a holder.
Okay. Glove holder.
Glove holder. Apparently this is magnetic.
The table?
Yeah.
Yep, that is a heavy duty table too.
Hey! This is magnetic too!
What is that?
It's a holder.
So what?
I said it's a holder.
What holder?
This holder.
Oh, the, what is that, shelf.
No.
The shelf is magnetic.
Hey, this is magnetic!
Oh, the camshaft? Yeah, that's a broken cam. Actually, is it broken? Yeah, that's a broken camshaft. Is it recording? Okay, it's recording. Alright, so what did we do today, Kenji?
We put the front bumper on.
Front bumper's on.
We we put the headlights on.
Headlights on.
And we fixed the engine.
Yeah.
That's how we did today.
Yeah. Want to do some more pretty soon, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.
I want to clean the car tomorrow.
You want to what?
Oh. I said I just want to clean the car tomorrow.
I'm going to clean the car tomorrow, apparently. All right. Bye.
Bye.
Matane.